What if I told you that some of the most important inventions of this decade are already working today? But most people have never heard of them? These are real technologies, tested, used, and developing right now.
Welcome to Simple Learning,
where we break down science and innovation in the simplest way possible. So you don't just watch, you actually understand. The Foldoscope is a microscope made mostly from paper, a lens, and simple materials. It was developed by Dr. Manu Prakash at Stanford University to solve a big global problem: expensive lab equipment. How it works? It uses a tiny lens and a light source to magnify objects from 140 times up to 2,000 times. Enough to see cells and bacteria? Why it matters? Traditional microscopes cost thousands of dollars, but Foldoscope costs only a few dollars. Now used in over 130 countries for science education. Meshtastic is a communication system that works without internet or mobile towers. It uses low-raw radio technology, which allows long-distance, low-power communication. How it works? Each device sends messages to the next device, creating a mesh network chain. Why it matters? In disasters like earthquakes or floods, when networks fail, this system still works. One message can travel kilometers by hopping between devices. Water gen machines extract moisture from the air and convert it into clean drinking water. How it works? Air is pulled directly into the machine, cooled down until the hidden water vapor condenses into liquid, and then thoroughly filtered into fresh, drinkable water. Why it matters? Nearly 2 billion people facing water scarcity, this technology can help without rivers or pipelines. It works best in humidity levels above 30 to 40%, making it ideal for tropical countries. Brain-computer interfaces translate brain signals directly into digital commands. How it works? Electrodes detect subtle neural activity, advanced AI interprets those unique signals, and the connected device responds instantly. Why it matters? It helps paralyzed patients control computer cursors or robotic arms using their thoughts. Today, companies like Neuralink are testing implantable chips for medical use. This concrete contains bacteria that activates when water enters cracks. How it works? Bacteria produce limestone that fills and seals the cracks automatically. Why it matters? It reduces building repair costs and increases infrastructure lifespan. Can increase durability by 30 to 50% in some tests. Lab-grown leather is created cell-based biotechnology. How it works? Animal cells are grown in controlled laboratory environments to form leather-like material. Why it matters? It reduces pollution from tanning industries. Brands like Modern Meadow are already developing it commercially. These lenses display digital information directly into your vision. How it works? They pack transparent micro-LED displays in microscopic sensors embedded inside flexible, breathable lens materials. Why it matters could replace phones for notifications and navigation, still in testing due to eye safety and power limitations. Solid-state batteries replace liquid electrolytes with solid materials. How it works? Lithium ions move through a solid electrolyte layer instead of liquid one. This allows energy to flow more safely and efficiently. Why it matters? They are safer, faster charging, and long-lasting. Companies like Toyota are investing heavily in this technology. Smart dust consists of microscopic sensors that gather environmental data. How it works? Each tiny particles contains sensors, a processor, and wireless communication nodes. Thousands of them work together to collect information. They send real-time data to computers without human efforts. Why it matters? Used for monitoring pollution, military zones, and agriculture. Some smart dust sensors are only a few millimeters or even smaller, making them nearly invisible to naked eye. This flexible skin-like patch monitors heart rate, temperature, and hydration. How it works? Tiny sensors are built into a thin, flexible patch. When placed on the skin, they continuously measure body signals. The data is then sent wirelessly to a phone or medical device. Why it matters? It allows continuous medical monitoring without hospital visit. Researchers are also developing electronic skin that can sense touch and pressure, making it useful for advanced prosthetic limbs and robotics. These inventions are shaping our planet silently, even if most people don't notice them yet. If you want more hidden science and the future technology, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Simple Learning right now. Which invention surprised you the most? Tell us down in the comments.